I'm sure you guys have seen these cute little square hand sanitizer spray bottles. Watch me transform them into these lovely, blingy, cute, adorable little bottles. Keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So this is a Dollar Tree DIY. Yes, these cute little sanitizer bottles came from Dollar Tree. So someone gave me one day at church for as a Christmas gift. It was like a pink one, and the flavor was like watermelon. And I was like, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Then I went to Dollar Tree and I couldn't find it anywhere. Then I looked online and I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to order mine online. So I ordered a case of them from DollarTree.com. It had 24 in the case, and I think it was about $36. So here we are. I had an idea that I wanted to make these for some people at church in our Sunday school class, but also I wanted to make some for my friends because we were meeting up and having brunch. One of my really good friends moved away, or is moving away to Texas, so it was like a going away brunch. But I also know that Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I knew this would be a really cute idea for someone maybe having a Galentine's Day party or an event or brunch or dinner. So I'm just basically showing you how I'm going to decorate each little sanitizer. I have these planners, and then I have like some cute little bling I'm going to add to them. It's going to be something quick. I'm going to use UV resin, and I'm just kind of laying things out. So some of the pieces I'm trying to put on here are a little bit too big. So I'm just going to kind of keep swapping them in and out to see what works. The great thing about these bottles is that they are refillable. So the tops do turn off so you can add more hand sanitizer to them later. So I just want to make sure that I'm not adding things to them to where it crosses over and it'll make it be glued closed. So I don't want them to be glued closed. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just kind of laying things out. So I have planner sets available on my website. I have 20-piece sets that have 10 planners and then have some bling. Then I have larger size planners like the one on the Chanel purse one with the glitter around it. That's the newer ones that I have. And then I have the cute little Barbie. I don't have that on my website. That's my stash of stuff. I have that cute little Barbie name. I wanted that one to be for, I guess, the guest of honor, my friend that's moving to Texas. I wanted the cutest one. They're all cute, but I just feel like that one was like more her style. So that one specifically was for her. And then when I presented them at brunch, I just kind of let everyone look at them and see which one they wanted to take. This was such like a cute, fun little DIY. I put bigger pieces on here because I wanted to make this something quick that I could do, because I made other things for them as well. You know, when the girls get together, it's really fun, and I think it's nice to just have like little gifts and little things that So it's basically like party favors. These are like super cute party favors if you're going to have some friends come over to your house. And it's super affordable. These are $1.25 a piece, but good luck trying to find them because I just could not find them in any store. I just couldn't. So that's why I ordered them online. So you can definitely order them online. When you order from DollarTree.com, sometimes, I guess depending upon availability, it could take to like maybe a week or 2 weeks. And they'll ship it to the store of your choice for free. So you don't have to pay for shipping. So I think that's like really cool. Now, when you decorate your little hand sanitizer bottles, you don't have to do them like this and put big pieces on it. You can put really teeny tiny little small rhinestones if you want to. I didn't want to do the tops of them because it's not transparent. I don't know. It's sometimes it's a toss up when I use the UV resin because it cannot cure on surfaces that's not transparent. But I see a lot of people doing junk cases. The cases are clear, so you can clear it on both sides. So yes. However, I have done mirrors, compact mirrors, and I've used UV resin. And I'll cure it on there, and it's pretty much good to go. Nothing falls off. But when I did it on my body butter tops that I did a long time ago, sometimes every now and then something will come off. And I'm thinking to myself, like, and then I'll pick up whatever fell off. And even if it's been like a week or two, the UV resin still hasn't cured underneath. And I finally put 2 and 2 together, like, oh, the UV light can't get under this surface. So that's why it didn't cure, and it's just forever wet underneath. So maybe what's locking it in is the UV resin that spills on the sides of it. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. However, you can always just use like some E6000. You don't have to use UV resin. I use UV resin because it's really quick. I'm using big pieces. And sometimes I just want to go through my DIYs. Not like I'm rushing. But I don't like stuff that take a real long time. I could be a little impatient. Believe it or not. People think, oh, you have so much patience adding all these rhinestones. Not really. Because I'm not the type to do like a whole tumbler cup, or I don't consider myself like a bling artist. Like, you know how some people may bling out a mop, a broom, a TV, a car. Absolutely not. That's not me. I like to do smaller, quicker DIYs. When I did a pair of Jordan 1s for my friend, part of her birthday outfit, those shoes were so beautiful, but they took me so long. I was like, I'll probably never do this again. Not even for myself. I just don't like when DIYs take super long. Like, some people are like, oh yeah, it took me 8 weeks to do this. No, I don't have time for that. I like to get in and get out. So this is a cute, quick DIY. It's definitely beginner friendly. Like I said, if you don't have a UV lamp and want to use UV resin, don't. Use E6000. Use Gorilla Glue, Loctite, whatever glues that are out there. There's a lot of different glues that you can use. Not fabric fusion, but liquid fusion is a really good one because it's non-toxic. So I'm basically just going to go through, add on the pieces randomly. Some will be a little more junky than others. Some may be a little calmed down. But yeah, just watch me add the pieces, and then you could just think about how you want to decorate yours. So as you can see, for this top part, I'm using an actual glue. This is called One Dot Not a Lot. But then I'm going to put this little Barbie nameplate thing on here. And then I will put a little drop of UV resin on top, just to kind of go through it to make it like stay in place. Just a little tap of UV resin, just a little bit. But the main glue that's going to make that stay is that One Dot Not a Lot. Make sure you don't cover the area that the actual sanitizer sprays out. And then the smell of these is absolutely just delicious. I think one of them is apple. It's apple something, and then one of them is like salted caramel, and it just smells so good. Even if you don't add anything to these are just still cute because the size of them They're cute, they're small, they're slim, they're modern looking. This Hello Kitty is so cute. I like this little Hello Kitty planner. I have these in a set on my website if you're interested, myroyalradiance.com. Okay, so for this one, I made that cute little Mickey Mouse head. And I have this cute little bow. And I'm going to add a bow to it, so it's now Minnie Mouse. So I'm almost done. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these Be Pure, that's the brand of them, Dollar Tree hand sanitizer spray bottles. These are so cute. I love these. And I told you it came with 24 in a pack, so I don't know, how many is this right here? This is about 10. I still have like 10 more, so I'll be doing some more eventually, but this is what I needed for when we went out to brunch in honor of my friend. And my friends love these. They absolutely love them. The Barbie one that I made for my friend that's moving, she loved it. It was exactly what she wanted because she could have swapped it out and got another one if she wanted to. We had a few people who did not show up. So I had a few extras. So I just told my friends to just take extra ones to give to their daughters. So that worked out. And just looking at these. These are like, just look at them. And this is something you can definitely do. If you're having a gathering or you just like to make stuff for people like me, I just like to make stuff. And I just like to give things to people. So this was perfect. Just looking at them, I know which ones is like my favorites. The two Mickey Mouse ones was 3 ones with Mickey head on them. They're a little extra. Really extra. But they're still cute and busy. So I feel like I have some that's busy and then I have some that's like a little more laid back. I really like the one with that MCM one. I like those pearls on there. I like the Hello Kitty. I like the one that says Barbie. This one with the Mickey head on it, it's got a lot going on, but I still like it. And I like the one with the Gucci purse on it. I like them all. And if you want to make something like this, I do have planner sets on my website. But also you can just use pearls and rhinestones or whatever you have already at home. Use regular glue, UV resin, whatever you like. And Galentine's Day events are going to be coming up. So it's cute ideas. Oh, and then if you're wondering how I presented them, this is just a little extra. I'm just showing you. I had these cute little organza bags. So I put them in these cute little organza bags. And I just sat them on the table. Also, I have these mylar bags. Just to give you an option. If you have like a little mylar bag, which is that silver bag, I usually put rhinestones or stuff like that or patches when people order from the website. I didn't care for that, so I ended up taking those back out of there and using the organza bags only. But yeah, in case you're wondering how did I present them, that's how I presented them. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, maybe found some inspiration or some ideas for your Galentine's Day events. Or even if you're having like a little ladies night, a little girls night. I was telling my aunt about this because she's going to be having some type of ladies night at her home. And I'm like, okay, you can do some cute little hand sanitizers. So thanks to you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook. Send it to someone who may be interested. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't decide to subscribe to this channel, thank you for at least stopping by. And thank you all for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.